Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Friends, are you searching for the best IAS agriculture as your optional subject for UPSC examinations preparation? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you the best coaching for agriculture IAS optional subject. Friends, as we all know that optional subjects play a key role in UPSC examination, and hence it's extremely important that we select the subject and then take its guidance properly to ace the examination. Hence, you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be giving you full details about agriculture IAS optional coaching. So friends, the best coaching for agriculture IAS optional includes Plutus IAS coaching. Friends, Plutus IAS is one of the best coaching in entire India. It's highly known experienced teachers with relevant knowledge and expertise in their own specific domain of subject-wise help you ace the subject. They also have well-equipped building with all the latest method of advanced techniques enabled for the aspirants by the management of the institutes. Amenities like live interactive video lectures, smart classes, AC when it opens, etc. are provided to all the aspirants. Apart from this, they also have well-structured notes and they also have the form of online study materials in form of soft copies. Interviews as well as essay writing tricks and methods are provided to all the candidates. Friends, Plutus IAS in this year's UPSC examination, which is UPSC examination 2020, performed excellently well as they gave 6 selections under rank 30 and various selections post rank 30 as well. Apart from this, Plutus IAS also gives you best interview preparation tips and strategy, and they also have one of the best mock interview preparation for you. Alright, let me give you some more reasons to join Plutus IAS. Friends, the flexibility of specialty are provided to all the aspirants so that they could choose the timings as per their needs. Minimal fee structure need with installment options for all the aspirants is also available. Moreover, apart from this, candidates can get a lifetime membership way with which the candidates could be associated with the institute even post the completion of their course until they clear any of the competitive examination in all India, which is a very good plus point. Apart from this, the small batch size of the classes makes the mentors to provide individualized attention to all the candidates. One of the sessions why it is one of the top civil services coaching institute in entire India. Alright, now let's talk about the next institute. Friends, this is not a typical institution but a great website which is gonna help you in entire UPSC journey of yours. Let me tell you about this website, which is Online Khan Market, and the address is www.onlinekhanmarket.com. Friends, Online Khan Market is the platform from where you can get a soft copy of any of the study materials for your preparation. Now, you don't need to visit the market for your preparation. By just sitting at your home, you can get your study materials in your hands. You don't have to stress out in the markets in this pandemic times. And also, one important catch is that in this institution's website, you will get all the material for a very cheap price. Yes friends, you heard it right. If you compare the market price or any other website's price, you will see that Online Khan Market is giving access to all the study materials required for your UPSC preparation at a very cheap price, which is extremely affordable to any student. Hence, I highly recommend you to definitely take coaching from Plutus IAS and also use Online Khan Market as a source for your preparation for this examination. So friends, these were two important sources. One, the Plutus IAS coaching, which has given maximum selections in UPSC examination 2020 as well. And second, the best website any UPSC aspirant can ask for, which is Online Khan Market, where they give you books at very cheap prices and in a soft copy, so you are safe from the rush. I hope you have got enough knowledge regarding both of these sources and you will definitely try Plutus IAS as your coaching institution and Online Khan Market as a source to study. Apart from this, kindly subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any updates regarding UPSC from our side. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.